All right, guys, we're here in St. Mary's at the Ford store with my installation crew, Sarah. That's what the crew consists of. So we're gonna get started, and then we'll throw some videos up during the day. We're gonna be here for a couple of days installing a bunch of professional signs and a bunch of hard signs on the board, on the walls and things like that. So it's gonna turn out really nice, and we're gonna Spitzerify the place, or as they say, Spitzerize the place, whichever one you want to pick. Stay tuned.
We always do it this time. I go for mine. I get to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine. I get to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma put shit down. Hey, 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 hey. I'm good. Now I go for mine. I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine. I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine. I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine. I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. Like everything the life I live, when I thought that I was gonna go crazy. And now my grandmama ain't the only girl calling me baby. If you feeling me now, then put your hands up in the sky. Let me hear you say, up in the sky. Only tell me what's good